All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Well, my people, this is another one reaching us right now. Well, in case you don't know, Yoruba Nation movement, the Yoruba Nation agitators are still on the matter. No going back, and exactly what it is. No going back on the Yoruba Nation movement. And right now, no, a lot of people have been expecting. In fact, they've been so much expectant that when will this mega rally be declared? And then a lot of people are somehow tired of what is going on. Well, a lot of things are going on right now, but one thing we know for sure is that everybody needs to be very, very careful and be patient, because right now, if we say this should be rushed, my brother, my sister, I pray it will not be worse. And right now, we all know what is going on. Chief Sunday Igboho just spoke some hours ago, and then onto this one, he has said it before repeatedly. Right now, he's saying that fine, Yoruba Nation definitely will be declared, and then it will not exceed 2022. And anyone who is very smart will understand that everyone right now is trying to be very, very diplomatic on this, meaning we don't need to expose ourselves to the enemies. We don't know who is who. But right now, as I speak, Chief Sunday Igboho is on his part saying that enough is enough. That anything we want to do right now must be done immediately. What does that tell you? He says enough is enough. Anything that needs to be done must be done immediately. That delay is dangerous. What does that tell you? Meaning the Yoruba Nation declaration is just around the corner. Yes, a lot of people are out there thinking, oh, we want to know. No, they are trying to know the date so that they can strike. A lot of things were actually said, and then as it stands right now, everyone needs to be vigilant, be watchful, because Chief Sunday Igboho on his own and Professor Banji Akintoye had made us understand that this race of Yoruba Nation is not something that will come easily. Yes. In fact, they even talked about the fact that, yes, there's going to be bloodshed, fine. But the assurance is that it shall be actualized, that Yoruba Nation will definitely be actualized. But our prayer is that the good Lord will protect everyone, so that at the end of it all, everyone who had been fighting for this struggle will be alive to see that wonderful day. That has been our prayer. And right now, according to Chief Sunday Igboho, it had been gathered that all the Biafra and the Yoruba Nation agitators need to work together. They need to come together and let us achieve this. That's another one that has reached us, that Biafra need to come together with the Yoruba Nation, that we need to wake up now. Simply because all these so-called fighters, the terrorists, Boko Haram, Al-Qaeda, ISIS, and the rest of them, they are not joking. If you think this set of people are joking, or every information you've been hearing is just a mere rumor that Fulani had surrounded every part of the southwest of Nigeria, if you think it's a lie, then you are a dead man. You are a dead meat. Right now, what we need to do is let everyone be united. Let the Yoruba Nation be declared. And then somebody was of the opinion that a lot of people will die, but they cannot kill everybody. Say how many people they won't kill. Well, that one is by the wayside. But the truth of the matter has been that there must not be any form of delay any longer. And thank God for the words of Chief Sunday Igboho. Yes, he has said it right that the enough is enough. That anything we want to do right now will be done immediately. Yes, it will be done immediately. This is November, and we have just few days in November, and then December, meaning we have less than 1.5 months to get Yoruba Nation declared. And then as it stands, the people who actually have wisdom, who are actually following, they are of the opinion that it shall be declared before 2023, meaning before the end of 2022, it shall be declared, because God Himself has signed this. We don't need anybody to keep deceiving us. So our advice, the advice had been that let everyone remain calm and watch out. You know what that means? Remain calm and be vigilant, because as soon as before the blink of your eye, Yoruba Nation will be declared, and afterwards, what happens? Right now, a lot of people have actually said a lot of things concerning this Yoruba Nation declaration. Some are of the opinion that when is it going to be declared? That we are almost close to the end of 2022, and then they have made us understand that 2022, before the end of 2022, it will be declared. So my brother, my sister, I will answer you by telling you that exactly what it is. 2022 is just by the corner, and it shall be declared. And meanwhile, it had been gathered that the Biafra had come out on their own part to tell it out. In fact, I was watching this video where they sat on ground. Biafra people are telling Nigerian soldiers, saying we don't need Nigerian soldier in our community. We don't need Nigerian soldier in our region. Enough is enough, because these Nigerian soldiers they are bringing in are no plot to destroy innocent souls. We don't know who is who. Majority of them are the Fulani soldiers. So it's better they leave us alone. We'll take care of ourselves. And then what are we talking about right now? That is to tell you that the Yoruba Nation agitators need to stand their own ground. Also, fine, we have a lot of them that are actually working towards the declaration of Yoruba Nation. But this time around, I think everybody needs to work together. The population is very, very important. Let everybody come out in their numbers. In no time, Yoruba Nation shall be declared. And then another thing that had been said is that come 2023, as far as Biafra land is concerned, as far as Yoruba land is concerned, there is not going to be election. The people are not blabbing. Yes, so the people have woken up, and exactly what it is. And this now takes me back to that statement uttered by Professor Banji Akintoye, that yes, we know definitely the politicians will want to give you money to follow them. Fine, you can collect the money. Collect their money on that day, don't vote. That's so serious. And then that's exactly what we are talking about, because some set of people will be like, if you say there won't be elections, and then what about those people that have been campaigning for a Milocon? So each time I remember that question, it takes me back to what Professor Banji Akintoye said, that they will come, they will give you the money, it's still your money, collect it. But when it comes to that day, we go know who we vote or not. So nobody should be panic that some set of people are following politicians campaigning. On that day, you will now know where they belong. Most of them, they are there for the rubber, they are there for the money, but they definitely they are not voting anything. As far as 2023 election is concerned in Yoruba land, with the great news reaching us, it had been gathered that there won't be any election. And then exactly what it is, my people, majority of things have been said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this one, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.